not alone. They are among us. As the skies light up, they believe we are blissfully unaware. But this activity by non-human extraterrestrial technology is capturing the attention of humans.
I never see the lights out. They get me overdrive. Fancy on a fast car. This is how you make me feel. Don't stress me now. I got the overdose. I'm feeling it in my bones. And if you say that I'm lying to you, these habits are killing me. I wish I could fall asleep. The problem is you. You
you are the devil. So hard to save. Hallowed by my love for you, always stop me going under. Follow every step I take, 'cause our walls are coming down. God, you are the devil, running through my mind. I can't get on your level, I swear to God I tried. I am not at this man. Turn around and go to hell. You cannot be anymore. Oh my God, you are the devil. Maybe I'll wake up in bed. I'm a disaster, can I move faster? Honey, I'm over the edge. No point in stopping me, I'm not your property. Gotta take care of my ledge. My friends are dead, I'm losing my head. I gotta get off of these meds. I am unstable, willing and able. Give you this body to pledge. Oh my God, you are the devil. Oh my God, you are the devil.